Over 90% of cars on the road today will never even come close to the 300,000-mile mark. And the bitter truth is, the very manuals you trust are quietly sending your car to the junkyard, dragging along engine rebuild bills that can easily hit $3,000 or even $4,000. Dealerships and automakers want you to believe their cars are incredibly cheap to maintain. They invent deceiving concepts like lifetime transmission fluid, or push you to stretch your oil changes all the way to 10,000 miles. But here is what they do not tell you. Their lifetime only means the lifetime of the warranty. The second that warranty expires, all that mechanical wear and tear crashes down on you. And right then, they are more than ready to sell you a brand new vehicle. Today, we are tearing down 12 real-world maintenance practices that repair shops will never tell you about. These are the exact steps that will actually help your car easily surpass 300,000 miles. Make sure you stick around until the very end, because secret number 1 reveals a tiny hidden detail that can literally cause your engine to self-destruct in a split second. Let us start the countdown right now with secret number 12. Secret number 12. Keep your car clean from the inside out. Picture this. You think washing your car is just about keeping the paint looking nice. So you ignore the thick grime building up underneath, and you let leaves and dirt pile up under the hood for months. Here is the mechanical reality. Built-up dirt traps moisture and accelerates silent corrosion, especially on your undercarriage. In the engine bay, debris traps heat, slowly baking your wiring harnesses, rubber hoses, and critical sensors. Even a neglected, clogged cabin air filter puts unnecessary, heavy strain on your entire climate control system. If you ignore this, you are not just getting a dirty car. A rusted subframe or a fried, melted electrical harness can easily cost you thousands of dollars in absolute nightmare diagnostics and repairs. The fix is incredibly simple. Wash your car regularly, flush the undercarriage, and carefully clean the engine bay. A clean car runs cooler, lasts longer, and holds its value. But while dirt is a visible enemy, the next mistake is a trap you might willingly walk right into. Secret number 11. Find a trusted mechanic. Imagine you hear a strange, clunking sound. You panic, and you just pull into the first, cheapest repair shop you see on your daily commute. This is a massive mistake. Jumping from shop to shop means absolutely no one knows your car's history. A dedicated mechanic understands your vehicle's baseline. They can spot patterns, notice subtle wear, and distinguish between a truly failing component and a temporary glitch without blindly guessing. Without that consistency, unfamiliar shops will often just fire the parts cannon at your car. They will replace perfectly good components, quickly turning a simple $100 fix into a $1,000 guessing game. Do your research, find one reliable mechanic, and stick with them. Trust and consistency are your ultimate shields against getting ripped off. And speaking of getting ripped off, wait until you see what happens when you try to save a few bucks on replacement components. Secret number 10. Use OEM or equivalent quality parts. You need a new ignition coil or an oxygen sensor. You go online, find the absolute cheapest aftermarket part available, and think you just scored an amazing deal. Think again. Modern vehicles operate on incredibly precise electrical signals and tight tolerances. Extremely cheap parts almost never meet factory specifications. An inferior sensor will send incorrect data to the engine computer, forcing the system to run poorly, which triggers a domino effect of wear and tear on other vital components. That $50 you saved on a cheap off-brand part will evaporate the second it fails, and takes your catalytic converter or engine control unit down with it, handing you a massive $1,500 repair bill. The rule here is non-negotiable. Always use original equipment manufacturer parts or trusted Tier 1 brands. You are not just buying a piece of metal or plastic, you are buying survival for your engine. Now, speaking of cheap fixes, The next secret is a tiny, dirty component that is secretly robbing your horsepower right now. Secret number 9. Clean your mass airflow sensor. Picture this scenario. You step on the gas pedal to merge onto the highway, but your car hesitates. It feels sluggish. The idle is a bit rough, and you are suddenly visiting the gas station a lot more often. You might think your engine is dying, but the culprit is likely a tiny, ignored component. Here is the technical reality. The mass airflow sensor, or MAF sensor, sits in your intake and measures the exact amount of air entering the engine. Over time, it gets coated in microscopic dirt and oil. When it is dirty, it sends the wrong data to your engine computer. Your car responds by dumping too much fuel or too little, killing your power and gas mileage. The solution is incredibly simple. A $10 can of proper MAF sensor cleaner and 10 minutes of your time will fix this. Spray it clean every 15,000 miles. You will instantly restore lost horsepower and save a fortune on wasted gas. Before we get into the silent killers that everyone forgets about, do me a quick favor. If this video just saved you an expensive trip to the mechanic, hit that like button and subscribe to Core Car right now for more money-saving automotive secrets. Done? Awesome. Let us keep going. Secret number 8. Replace all of your fluids, not just the oil. You are a responsible owner. You change your engine oil exactly on time, every time. But you drive around for years completely ignoring your brake fluid, power steering fluid, and coolant. This is a dangerous and expensive mistake. Let us talk about brake fluid. It is hygroscopic, which means it naturally absorbs moisture right out of the air. Over time, that water lowers the boiling point of the fluid. If you have to brake hard on a steep hill, that water boils, creating air pockets in the brake lines. Suddenly, your brake pedal goes straight to the floor and you have zero stopping power. Coolant is just as bad. It turns highly acidic as it ages, literally eating away your radiator and water pump from the inside out. The fix? Flush your brake fluid every 2 years and replace your coolant every 3 years. Neglecting this is a guaranteed path to a total brake failure or an engine ruined by overheating. And speaking of things that get blocked and ignored, the next secret is silently starving your engine of its lifeblood right now. Secret number 7. Do not ignore your fuel filter. You drive your car every single day, completely unaware that your fuel system is struggling to pull gas from the tank. You only notice a problem when the car refuses to start. Your fuel filter has one job: catching rust, dirt, and microscopic debris before it reaches your engine. But once that filter gets severely clogged, it becomes a literal wall. Your electric fuel pump now has to work twice as hard, fighting against massive restriction just to push gas through. This constant strain overheats and burns out the fuel pump motor, and it starves your high-pressure fuel injectors. If your vehicle has an accessible inline filter, replace it every 30,000 miles. If you wait for the symptoms to show up, the damage is already done. You will not just be buying a cheap filter, you will be paying over $800 to drop the gas tank and replace a burned-out fuel pump. And if you think a clogged fuel system is bad, wait until you see what old spark plugs are doing to your exhaust system in secret number 6. Secret number 6. Do not cheap out on spark plugs. Picture this. You notice your car is taking a little longer to start in the morning, or maybe your gas mileage has mysteriously dropped. You brush it off and keep driving because the car still seems to run fine. Here is what is actually happening inside your engine. Worn spark plugs cause tiny, almost imperceptible misfires. When this happens, unburned fuel is pushed directly out of the cylinder and into your exhaust system. That raw fuel enters your catalytic converter, superheats, and literally melts the expensive internal honeycomb structure. What should have been a quick, simple $50 spark plug replacement has just transformed into a massive $2,000 exhaust repair. Do not wait for 100,000 miles. Replace your spark plugs every 40,000 to 60,000 miles using only high-quality OEM replacements. It is the cheapest insurance policy for your exhaust system. And if you think ignoring spark plugs is an expensive mistake, wait until you hear the absolute biggest lie the dealership ever told you about your engine oil. Secret number 5. The 10,000-mile oil change lie. You open your shiny new owner's manual, and it proudly claims you only need to change your engine oil every 7,500 to 10,000 miles. It sounds incredibly convenient and cost-effective, right? This is pure marketing, carefully designed to make the car look cheap to maintain during the factory warranty period. In the real world, sitting in heavy stop-and-go traffic and making short trips causes engine oil to degrade incredibly fast. If you push it to 10,000 miles, that oil literally turns into thick, abrasive sludge. This sludge clogs the microscopic oil passages inside your engine, specifically starving your timing chain and variable valve timing solenoids of vital lubrication. The result is a stretched timing chain and a loud, rattling engine that will easily cost you $3,000 to fix. Ignore the manual. Change your full synthetic oil every 3,000 to 5,000 miles and never reuse the old filter. Now, we are getting into the real danger zone. The next component looks perfectly fine right up until the exact second it violently destroys your engine compartment. Secret number 4. Replace your belts and hoses before they fail. You look at your odometer, see low mileage, and assume your car is practically new. So you completely ignore the rubber components under the hood because you hardly ever drive. Here is the mechanical reality. Rubber does not just care about mileage. It is highly sensitive to time and intense heat. The extreme temperature cycles inside your engine bay bake your radiator hoses and your serpentine belt. They dry out, lose their flexibility, and develop deep micro cracks. If a main coolant hose blows out while you are driving down the highway, your engine will fatally overheat in less than 60 seconds, permanently warping the cylinder head. Inspect your belts regularly and replace them around the 40,000-mile mark. Replace your main coolant hoses every 4 to 5 years, regardless of how much you drive. Preventing this disaster costs under $200. Replacing a melted engine block costs thousands. But while a blown hose is sudden and obvious, the next mistake is a slow, silent killer. Secret number 3. Never ignore unusual noises. Picture this. You are driving to work and you hear a strange clicking or whining sound coming from the engine. You do what most people do. You turn up the radio, ignore it, and hope it just goes away. Here is the mechanical reality. Cars do not just break out of nowhere. They always give you an auditory warning first. A tiny rattle could be a failing timing chain tensioner. A high-pitched whine could be a dry bearing in your alternator or water pump. A clunk over bumps is your suspension literally begging for attention. When you ignore these early alerts, a simple $100 fix quickly snowballs. That rattling tensioner will eventually snap, destroying the entire engine block and handing you a devastating $2,000 repair bill. The solution is free. Listen to your car. If you hear a new sound, note exactly when it happens and take it to your trusted mechanic immediately. Catching it early is the ultimate money saver. Now, let us talk about a massive lie that is actively destroying transmissions right now. Secret number 2. The lifetime transmission fluid trap. You take your car to the dealership, ask about changing the transmission fluid, and the service advisor tells you not to worry. They confidently claim it is a sealed unit with lifetime fluid. Do not fall for this. Lifetime for the dealership just means the lifetime of your warranty. In reality, your automatic transmission fluid operates under constant extreme heat and intense friction. Over time, that fluid chemically breaks down, loses its ability to lubricate, and fills up with abrasive metal shavings and burnt clutch debris. If you wait until the transmission starts slipping or jerking, it is already too late. Doing a full chemical flush on a neglected transmission can actually dislodge sludge and permanently jam the internal valves. You are now looking at a $3,000 transmission rebuild. Ignore the lifetime myth. Do a simple partial fluid drain and fill every 40,000 miles using the exact factory-specified fluid. It is the only way to keep your transmission shifting smoothly past the 200,000-mile mark. And now, the moment you have been waiting for. The biggest, most destructive secret of them all. Secret number 1. The ticking time bomb of your timing belt. You are a careful driver. You read the manual, and it says to replace your timing belt at 100,000 miles. So you decide to wait until exactly 100,000 miles to get it done. This is the deadliest mistake you can make. Most modern vehicles use what is called an interference engine. In this design, the valves and the pistons occupy the exact same physical space inside the cylinder, just at different times. The timing belt is the only thing keeping them from crashing into each other. But rubber ages, dries out, and cracks from engine heat long before it hits that mileage limit. If that belt snaps while you are driving, the camshaft stops, leaving the valves wide open. But the crankshaft keeps violently pushing the pistons up. In a fraction of a second, the pistons smash into the valves. The engine literally destroys itself from the inside out. There is no fixing it. You have to buy a completely new engine, costing upwards of $4,000. Never wait for the factory limit. Replace your timing belt, tensioners, and water pump preventatively around 60,000 miles. It is the ultimate secret to securing your vehicle's lifespan. Which of these 12 secrets shocked you the most? Drop a comment below and let me know. Here is the bitter truth. The automotive industry makes billions of dollars every single year off of drivers who simply do not know any better. If you want to keep your hard-earned money in your own pocket and stay one step ahead of the repair shops, hit that subscribe button and join the Core Car family right now. We are here to protect your vehicle and your wallet. Thank you so much for watching. Keep your engine running smooth, drive safe, and I will see you in the next one.